sun hot.
Yeah, man.
Go up.
Hot. Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Let me jump right off the curb. Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick.
Ay, shawty throw it back, baby, gon' shake it. Ay, keep that shit in motion, keep it rotating. Yeah, she all about the bag, ain't no time wasting. Yeah, she don't want no nigga, baby, let's face it.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Shaylicious and welcome back to another vloggy vlog. So this is like a weekly vlog or whatever. So on this episode of Shaylicious anyways, so in this vlog I'll on the AC because it's been really hot. Okay, I am burning up.
Yeah, man. Hot.
Burning up, like the fan not doing shit. Outside is hot, burning up. This summer is really hot, so I'm getting an AC because I cannot stand the heat. And I'm gonna show you guys all of that, me buying it, installing it, and all of that. Yeah, and a few little stuff, going to the supermarket, getting other stuff, you know, all of that. So just watch the video to see what the hell went down. Okay, yeah. I am going to find somewhere to have lunch. It's so sunny today. Super hot. But I know this restaurant over here that I brought my friends and the food was good, so that's where I'm going. It's so freaking hot. God, over here look full. My food is here, y'all. Alright. And I'm love to talk about other people, like everybody have them stress. Like, yeah. I'm love compare other people, like not talk about myself, yo.
Steven?
Yeah. Here. Thanks. Thank you. I should be going to the place right now, but instead I am walking. Guys, I'm so tipsy. It's a video. I feel like I wanna cool off. We are here, y'all. gonna get this one. This shit is not even focusing. I think it was this one.
The 18,000? This one, right?
I guess. Because they said the small one it won't work.
Yeah, I remember the 18,000 BTU. These done.
Do you finish?
This is a mini split and that are inverter, same 18,000.
Oh.
Or it's a little bit more expensive.
The total price with GCT.
96,600. And if we do the installation here, 23,000.
96. What a whole heap of money spending. I can't bother. Let me go with this.
We do installation.
Ah.
William.
Yeah.
What's your first name?
Money. Guys, I just made my purchase. But now we're gonna go upstairs to see if I see anything else that I like. Man, I wish I had a pink chair in this. So guys, I'm thinking about getting this table and just make it into my vanity thing, because I'd be lazy to get like someone to make me a table or order from Amazon, because it's like so much. But this, I feel like I could make this work. I really don't know. And it's not that even expensive. It's like 11,000 with GCT. Jamaican dollars, of course. And all I could do is just spray the top in white. I want to get it so bad. I don't know. I think I want to get it. We'll see. I see.
Yes, that's
Here. Here's that pen. Thank you. I keep these? Or
No.
easier? Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Right.
Yeah. Can I carry this baby? Thank you. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging. Thank you.
I say, bump bugler up here and the car and talk small. Yes, you ain't like just the respect, that's it.
Okay.
The man keep up here.
Thanks. So,
You know I'm up here.
Evian, I want to go over there some. Over
Huh?
Progressive.
Where's that? Because you talk to one bag of people, one bag of nice names, brother.
I'm gonna try to Fontana first. David, I'm going to Fontana. Minaso. Ask me why I came in here, I don't know. Sorry. Oh, I know why. I want storage bin. I wonder what's the price. There's a 550. I need to know. I am out of Fontana now. I'm going to the supermarket just to get some cleaning stuff because I really need to clean up my room, especially that I got the people coming by to install the AC. So guys, this is so pretty. Of course I think it's pretty because it's pink, but how much is it? Of course I'm getting it.
It leaves on front. Hey guys, so this is the AC that I got on Saturday. Today is Friday. I'm actually about to get dressed to go get warranty on it because on Saturday when I went to have lunch before I got it, I actually got a strawberry daiquiri with rum and I was so drunk and like I was like not paying attention when I was buying it, which was not smart, but I was like telling my mom that I didn't get warranty on it and she was like, are you crazy? Go get warranty. So I'm about to go get dressed and go get warranty. It's for 4 years and if anything happens to it within the 4 years, they'll come like fix it for free. And I think it's like 19,000 Jamaican dollar. So that's what I'm about to do today. And I'm also gonna stop by the supermarket. Also, they call me like Wednesday saying that, oh, there's no workman available, so they have to get someone from my area. So I'm like, weren't you guys supposed to get someone from my area to make the job easier? Like, I was so confused. But yeah, they said they would have like been here within 3 to 5 business days, and nobody's here. So I'm still waiting. I'm still hot and burning up cords.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna ask them when I get asked them, like, when are the guys coming? Because they really need to come install this. But it's a Master Tech. I don't know anything about AC. This is it. So I'm gonna go get ready now. So bright today. Stand up for you, right? So it's 11:05 and I'm hoping, oh wow, oh, I'm hoping this restaurant have lunch available. Oh my god, look at the freaking tourists there already. They're always taking up the seats. I swear. Oxtail with rice and peas. I can have one of that and a glass with ice. Yeah, that's it for right now. It's beautiful today. I'm at the same spot that I came on Saturday. Real Jamaican style.
Ain't got no one that back calling me splurge. Let me jump right off the curb. Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick of it.
There you go. Thank you. I'm waiting on my food, y'all.
Jersey!
I'm all finished. This is so good. And the bone is so soft.
you, Mr. Barrett. This is it. So I'm all set now. I'm all set.
You're set?
Yeah.
Look at your phone.
This is it, right? Keisha, Shanique said that the last time. I call her and I get her. Let me call you, may I get you?
Good morning.
Mr. Barrett. Alright, thanks. Come on, thank you. So guys, I just finished paying on the warranty. Now I'm just walking. Just walking to see if I see anything that I like. This was the bed I was gonna get when I was buying my set. I am all set, y'all. No more one of them beach here. Now we are gonna head to the supermarket, which is all the way over there. So we're gonna stop in Fontana before. Your aunt took it. Then someone to give her my bag. Cheer up this one. Say hi. A video.
Your eye? Hi. Hello.
Got no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the spread fly like a bird.
They have the spicy noodles. I've never tried these, but now I know where to come to get them. I've seen a lot of people try the black one.
like a money.
How are you? I'm good. Oops, sorry. I find big one? Two big one? Yeah. Them big? Them big? Big?
Yes, man. Nah, get up small, man.
I miss it.
Garbage. Yeah, garbage. Less rice.
Guys, I'm gonna get some big cabbage for me, cause
Yes, guys. Camera, you see me? Action.
come like I love the camera.
Yeah.
Guys, Errol is so helpful. I'm gonna do everything.
Yeah.
Errol love him job.
Yeah. Can bring up light, please?
Yeah. It's for me though.
I mean, man, that's anything for you, man. If I cannot believe me, you know.
Hello? I'm inside. I'm cashing at the moment. I'm gonna say that you can find parking. Find one parking. And you have to come meet me. But why you smile with me, you know? Come here, you're no friend. You look hot today, though. You have a hot date.
I work, me coming up.
So hot? You come and work so hot? Like a girl come look.
I work, me come.
You look hot today, man. You look fresh and clean. Yeah, so you dressed up yesterday for?
What?
What you dressed up yesterday for? Oh. The sun hot.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna go up on my father. My foot bottom will kill me. Oh my god. That's how far you park? Alright, let me see again.
Yeah, just still come.
Him did help me out in there. Woo! Boy.
Man, can't reverse, man. Maybe you them a country driver, you know, they just come.
Yeah, but I kind of country you come from. I know country you come from.
Of course, but I don't know where they are at that time.
I heard from you.
Have man with car.
You ever want to give me man with car? Tell us someone, man.
Ah, you have a man with car.
Tell someone, woman. You love give me people.
So you're woman.
I've been hiding from you. Sometimes I don't like you, you know.
No problem.
Sometimes I don't like you, right? You get on my nerve. You're too miserable.
Miserable like you.
You're too miserable, man. Miserable like me?
Yeah.
I'm not miserable. You're miserable.
Everybody have their side.
Me have to give you a break sometime. I'm trying to put the AC right there.
Yeah, man. Hot.
Yeah, this is so funny.
Chef, I will keep the kitchen clean. Clean as you go.
Their patois is so bad.
Yeah, they have no lemon, but you know, things can still go on. Yeah. You know, this right here is strong, so take time. That needs half of that. Half Jesus Christ. I can't believe we don't have the black pepper. Can't believe it. It's alright. Weird. We're pretty much done. Yeah. I've 15 minutes. 15. I'm 15 minutes. No. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. No, stop on my word. Come. Yo, take up on my word. Oh my God, shut. Step up. Because I am a gentleman. I'm a techie. Gentleman with Ross. Cause you lose.
The guy's here, y'all. Finally.
Back here.
It's fine. Yo! So true. Part, the outside part. My father always roasted. Whenever I'm roasting, me eat.
Oh. Yeah, I go to the first account.
Eh? I forgot to pay the bill.
Desperate position, so we can get more money.
Oh.
And then now me I say, let's say, I have to push it in, so I have to pay for it.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Right now, when I put my AC from bracket, my condenser inside this,
Mm-hmm.
from bracket, because somebody
I just catch you up.
I just call me, somebody just pull it down and go sell it. I'm going to say I want sure 60 or 70 grand. Go on there, Max, here.
earlier. Oh, it's time. 2:30. 2:30. Time I move fast. Next time we set that out. Battery for me?
Yeah, China. You're not a string, let me change that name.
Yay, finally. We are cool people.
Right. Alright. That's what you think.
Are you ready? These are we got cool here, baby. Finally, I can film and stream without being hot. Yeah. I'm gonna wipe this room out, change my sheet, because it's really dusty in here.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Ay, shawty throw it back, baby, gon' shake it. Ay, keep that shit in motion, keep it rotating. Yeah, she all about the bag, ain't no time wasting. Yeah, she